So today we are going to be treating the spiral. You can use any color for it. I'm using crystal bead size 4. You can use size 6. And this one, the crystal, the foundation is 4. So these are my materials. Sand bead size 2. And this. I'm having my cutter here. And my fish line. I'm using 0.35. You can use 0.3. So this is the earring I made for it. So now I want to do the bangle. So what you are going to do is you first pick one sand bead, one crystal bead, one sand bead, one crystal bead, one sand bead, one crystal bead. We are picking four crystal bead, 4 sand bead, making 8. So you pull it down. This is it. Let it go down. Then you now tie gently. You tie gently. You tie gently. So you now take your needle. So where we knot it, we are going to pass through this one, through this crystal bead, and sand bead like this. Can you see? This is where I knot it. So I will now pick 7, size 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can pick 5, you can pick 3, 5, 7, 9. Depends on how you want to put space. Then I will use this after picking 7. Let it go down. Then I will now come out with this one. So this is the way it will look like. And I'll pick another 7. This is another 7. Then I'll use my needle to pass through this. Then I'll pick another 7. This is another 7. This is another 7. So to go through this one, then I'll pick another 7. This is 7. That should go down. So I will use this available one, the last one. This is the last one. This is it. So I will have to go through this 4. This is 3 plus this one, making 4. Can you see? This is where my needle is coming out. So I'll pull it out. So we're having this star. So the next thing is to take 1 crystal bead, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Go through the 4th one. Can you see? Go through the 4th one. Pick another one. Go through the one at the center, which is the 4th one. Pick another one. I'll go through the one at the center. You know it is 7, 3, 3. So the center one is 4th. So pick another one. Then I'll go through the one at the center. So this is it. Then you now press it together to come together. You see? So this is how you are going to continue to do it. Now take your needle to go through the crystal to tie it together. It should be more, it should be firm. It should be firm. Before we now take another step. So now I want to take another step, then I'll pick 7. So this is 7. Let it go down. Then Can you see? I'm passing through this place. I'm passing through this place. You pull it out. Can you see? Then you pick another 7. Oh. 7. This is it. This is another 7. And you pass through this sand bead here. Can you see? Pass through here. Pull it out. And pick another 7. Six, 7. This is it. It's another 7. So we are going to use this one. Pass through this one. This one. So you pick another 7. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so that you will get the necessary information of when I will be releasing or uploading another video. Please do. I want to see your comments. Drop your comment, please. It's tight. So, let me see. Let me see. So, I will pick the one at the center. Take one crystal. Go through the center. Make it closer together. Pick another one. Use the one at the center. You see. Pick another one. Take the one at the center. I told you can use 3. You can use 5. That one is 7. You can use 9. So the center will be where you are going to be passing. So this is the last one to pick here. And listen, this is how we are going to be doing it till you get to the necessary length you want. I'm using this one for bangle. So kindly subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. I upload every video every day. So always watch my video. And I would like to see your work. This is it. So lovely. So lovely. This is the earring. So thank you for staying by. See you on my next video.